Hi, I'm Todd Rosenbluth, Head of Research at VettaFi. We're here at the Exchange Conference, about 2,000 registrants that are here. This is the best ETF at the end of the year, but I'm excited that I'm here with Holly Framsted of Capital Group. Holly, about a year into the life of Capital Group's ETFs, $7 billion of net inflows. Amazing year. What do you think? How's it going so far?
Well, we're very pleased with the growth that we've seen. This is one of the fastest growing ETF franchises, certainly in recent history, and we're very pleased with that, mostly because it tells us that the investor demand for active management in the ETF structure that we had been hearing about from our clients has in fact materialized.
Yeah, advisors now have a choice whether they want to use an active mutual fund or an active ETF from Capital Group and the family, but also choice between active versus passive. Where are you seeing the greatest interest? Are you seeing a broad asset allocation suite of products being gathered, or are people choosing growth over value in particular?
We have seen a tremendous amount of interest across the product lineup over the course of the last year, and I think it's a combination of some investors looking for more value-oriented services, looking for income in the portfolio, particularly earlier on last year. We saw a rotation or demand for increased fixed income at the end of last year, and now we're starting to see increased demand for international equities. So I think the concept of having a well-diversified portfolio and ssolutions across the spectrum and in every asset allocation building block has been a successful one.
Right, so the more recent suite of products were fixed income that came to marketplace at the end, near the end of 2022. The demand has been strong out of the gate.
It really has. It has. And I think that's in part because of the environment we're in. We saw a lot of tax loss harvesting and a willingness to turn over portfolios at the end of the year, coupled with investors reevaluating the bond allocation and perhaps allocating more as they seek yield in this environment.
So you know this, the audience may not know this. I had a vested interest in your first year of success. So I'm particularly excited that $7 billion were had, and Eric Balchunas owes me a steak dinner as a result of this. I imagine you were rooting on my behalf.
Oh, of course, I am so pleased that you won. But I think importantly, I'm pleased that all of that is organic external growth. Every investor in these portfolios is external to Capital Group and a financial advisor who believe that these services could help them better serve their clients. None of it is internal money at this point, and so we're incredibly pleased with that demand that's materialized, and I'm super happy that it materialized in a way that made you the winner.
Yeah, but the advisor won and their end clients won as well, not just both of these sides of this. So thanks everybody for joining us here at Exchange. We'll see you next time.